Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple YouTube channel in one Gmail account. Okay, now guys, let's start by tapping your profile icon. And then let's go settings. Here you will find add or manage your channel. You just have to create a new channel. Then choose your brand account name. Let's say, for example, I'm going to use Aileen Aguilar Entertainment. Okay, great. Then same thing, you just have to customize your channel, add channel art, channel description, and you can upload a video direct if you would like to. But before that, we need to enable the monetization first by updating your location to be eligible. Just have to click this one and it will send you direct to the settings where you need to fill up your country. Then that's it. Now we are eligible for to earn money from your videos. You just have to notify me when I am eligible. You just have to click that one and then they will send you the email when you're eligible to apply. The last step, guys, is going to again go back to the settings and then channel status and features. For the last time and for the last step, we need to verify our account. So just follow the steps how to verify, and that's it. You have your another account channel.